Hi guys, I'm Sky, one of the teacher ambassadors from Guangzhou. Come join me on my house tour.
So when I walked into this apartment, I absolutely fell in love with it. I loved that it had high ceilings, it had 2 floors, and it was super open and clean. I had looked at quite a few apartments before this, but none of them were quite what I was looking for. I had very specific things I had on my non-negotiable list, and it checked off most of those except for having a dishwasher. So some of the things that I knew I wanted was a washer dryer, so this is a 2-in-1. I knew that I wanted an AC. I knew I didn't want it to be super far from my center, as I didn't want a long commute, and so those are just a couple of things that I was looking for. And some of the bonus things that it includes is there's actually a gym in this building. It is a separate fee, but it's so convenient. There's also tons of storage space, as you can see, and it's just really gorgeous. It's a nice oasis, and I enjoy being home, so it was worth the going a bit over budget. Originally, I did want something that was $3,500, but the realtor was like, it's a little more difficult to find what I'm looking for exactly in that price range, and so I think it was worth going a bit above my budget. And I think in comparison to my my previous apartment rent and mortgage back home, I knew that this was quite the steal. This particular apartment is 47.28 square meters, and again, it's 4,300 renminbi, which does not include the utilities or the maintenance fees, which will be approximately an extra about 400 kwai per month. So it's still not too outlandish. So I hope that you enjoyed the tour and come back next time. Let me know if you have any questions. Bye.